Good morning, everybody. John Ward, Director of Emergency Management here in Clay County at the Emergency Operations Center, here where our unified command is responding to this unprecedented event here in Clay County. I want to ensure you that the team is working day and night in the response to this event to protect our citizens. One thing I would like to reach out to you today on is all week long we've been telling you what you can't do, you have to do this, and essentially just pushing those things down on you. What I want to take the opportunity this morning and do is to tell you what you can do here in Clay County. We have Camp Chewinwall, which is a 150-acre site. It's got wildlife and vitamin D out. Get out and enjoy it. We have Spring Park, which is you can do the walk along the river or you can fish from the pier. We have 11 county boat ramps. You can get out and enjoy being on the boat, fishing, whatever that may be. You can canoe, kayak along the 39 miles of river we have here in Clay County. If you can't get out to those locations, we can always just be outside around the house, ride our bikes around the neighborhood, all of these things while just keeping in mind our social distancing, but we can ride bikes, we can play ball with our kids, and enjoy family time. I kind of just wanted to take this time to reach out to you and let you know that we don't have to stay cooped up in our house. We can get out and enjoy things. We just have to practice that social distancing, keeping away from each other. And again, if you have any questions or concerns here in Clay County about COVID-19, please feel free to call our call center 8 to 5, 7 days a week at 877-252-9362. Thank you.